Contracts are legally binding documents between you and your clients. They protect you legally and define your scope of services. In this video tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to create and send a contract to your client for their digital signature. Start by pressing the Create New Contract button. For this video, we'll create a contract from scratch. The first step is to give the contract a name that we can use to identify it later. I'm going to name this one Moretti Wedding Contract. The due date simply indicates when the signature is required by. You'll receive periodic notifications to help you know whether or not a client has signed a contract before the due date. The final step is to pick a client responsible for signing this contract. Once those steps are finished, you can proceed to completing the remainder of the contract. If there are additional signers you want to specify on the contract, you can specify them here. For reference purposes, you will see the client as the primary signer. Finally, fill in the contract's content. Most likely, you'll copy and paste this from an existing contract file you have on your computer. I have a general wedding contract saved as a Word document on my computer, so I'll copy and paste that into the text editor. At this time, I can make any adjustments as needed. Once that's finished, click Save and Send. This creates the contract, sends email to the signers notifying them that their signature is required. As you can see, this takes me to a screen where I can view the details of the contract. As the photographer, to make this legally binding, it is important that you sign the contract yourself. I'll go ahead and sign this contract now. To do so, click the Click to Sign action. When prompted, type your legal name, check the box to indicate you submit to using digital signatures, and then click Sign. That's it! You've now signed the contract. You'll receive a notification when a signer signs the contract. If at any point in time you want to send a reminder, simply click Send Reminders on the Details page. From here, you can send a reminder email to any of the signers that have not yet signed. When you do so, you'll be presented with the email form, allowing you to customize the message before it sends. I don't care to make any changes, so I'll go ahead and click Send. I can view the details of a contract at any time by clicking the View Contract icon. Additionally, I can more quickly send reminders by clicking on the list of signers. If there are multiple signers and you want to quickly send a reminder to email all of them, click the cog icon and choose Send Reminder, which sends the default contract notification email to all signers who have not yet signed the contract. Finally, to delete a contract, you can choose Delete Contract from the options by clicking the cog icon. Doing so will permanently delete the contract, so be sure you really want to delete it before proceeding. And that's it! If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team and have a great day.